Now let's look into this particular question and see how are we going to find out the best fit. Now in this particular question they have actually given me certain activity levels which is basically represented in X and my costs which are represented in Y. I need to draw a line which represents my entire graph. So let me just take a line here and see whether this would be the line which represents. Now what I'll do is at this particular junction I will try dropping this line which is going to touch both my x-axis and y-axis. So I'll start extending this line, so that it touches my y-axis. Now I'll also extend my line down here and also take it here. Now what does this give me information? Now this point where I'm incurring a cost even at 0 units, this becomes my fixed cost. Now my fixed cost in this particular question is now found out, which is 100. Now the difference between my total cost, this 400 represents the total cost for 150 units. I know my total cost comprises of two components, which is one is my fixed cost, second one is my variable cost. So my total cost of 400, if 100 represents my fixed cost, automatically the balance, which is 300, represents my variable cost. So I'll be plugging this into my information. Y is equal to a plus bx. Now I told you x is an independent variable, y is an independent variable. Now let's look into this. Y is equal to a plus bx. Y is equal to a plus bx. A is my gradient on my y-axis, which is basically 100. B is the one where I need to find out what is going to be its value. X is the number of units, which is basically 150. So I need to find B. I know my total cost is 400. 400 is equal to 100 plus 150B. B is equal to 2 per unit. B is my variable cost, which is 2 per unit. A is my fixed cost, which is 100 per unit.